Bad migao mar KALRO ochako chenro mar loso chiemb chiaye motenore kod dwaro makare mar kor lwasi kaka okang' mar duoko chien nok mar chiemb chiaye pachoka. Okang' ma kamano bende geto marakore gi pek mar nengo chiemb chiaye e thurka. Magi noyangore e kinde nyasi mar pur mane obagi Naivasha, nyasi ma bende nokelo kanyakla jolony mag sayans gi jopur mawuok e tunge mag Kenya. Kaluwore kod Dr. Samuel Mbuku mochung' ne stesen ma Naivasha, okang' no biro miyo jopur yudo chiemb chiaye e sa mowinjore kendo kinde ka kinde.
What we have done as an organization is to develop climate smart varieties of different pastures and forages. We want our farmers to run away from commercial supplements, and therefore we have forages which are able to provide the much needed protein, the much needed energy away from using the commercial dairy mills and so forth. So that's the investment that we are doing as an organization, so that we can provide those options of varieties, pastures, forages, grasses that can provide those particular energy, the protein, the supplements and the vitamins to our animals for optimal productivity.
We've put some money for at least to do some bit of feasibility study so that we are intending to establish animal feeds plants in Kiambu, which we are looking to that will be able to solve our own problems, and even the region, other counties that are bordering Kiambu. We have that intention of ensuring that we establish and help our farmers plus the neighboring counties.